Sunex SXSN6P01 hands-on. Quietest air sander I've ever run at full blast. I was halfway through blocking a '67 Camaro when my old sander started dancing across the panel like it had its own plans. Hands numb, ears ringing, swirls everywhere. Then I grabbed the Sunex SXSN6P01 and the car literally went silent. Ever had a tool that made you whisper, finally? Drop? Yes. Below if you're tired of fighting your sander. Your wrist is screaming by noon. Dust in your lungs. That low, constant growl telling everyone in the shop you're still on the same damn panel. Now imagine a sander so quiet and balanced you forget it's running, until you run your hand over glass smooth primer. That velvet silence is closer than you think. Meet the quiet assassin every pro body shop is hiding in plain sight. The Sunex SXSN6P01. 3/16-inch orbit cuts fast, yet finishes baby bottom smooth. No swirls, no pigtails, no excuses. Ultra-low vibration motor keeps your hands fresh after 8-hour marathons. Composite body stays warm in winter, never freezes your palm like aluminum. Built-in regulator lets you feather edges at low speed or blast filler at 12,000 revolutions per minute without walking to the compressor. 360 degrees exhaust blows dust away from your line of sight. Last Thursday, Luis was 2 hours from missing a paint deadline because his high-dollar sander left holograms everywhere. Threw him my Sunex at 4 p.m. By 6:30 the car was in the booth and the painter actually hugged him. That's not a sander, that's a deadline destroyer wearing a muffler. Keep reading for the one trick with this tool that makes clear coat lay down like glass every single time. This is the 6-inch palm sander thousands of refinish techs and cabinet makers won't shut up about in the break room. A PPG repaint specialist told me straight. I've got 3 $500 sanders collecting dust. Sunex is the only one I trust on high-end paint now. Tool tester on YouTube ran it 8 hours straight and said, my wrist usually dies at hour 4. This thing laughed. One shop owner measured vibration at half his Dynabrade fleet and just wrote, ordered 10 more. Real painter in our group chat last night. Customer thought I wet sanded the entire car by hand. Nope, just the Sunex and 2000 grit. Worried it's too light to be pro? Wait till you feel how planted it stays on vertical panels. Think air tools are loud. This one's so quiet the compressor is now the loudest thing in the booth. See why thousands can't stop talking about this little black beast? Comment your current sander below. I'll tell you exactly how many hours of pain you're about to delete from your life. Join the pros who finally sand all day without their hands going numb or their ears ringing. The Sunex SXSN6P01 delivers swirl-free 3/16-inch perfection, dead quiet operation, and risk-saving balance that makes 10-hour days feel like cheating. Stock is moving fast in shops right now. Don't spend another week fighting holograms. Grab yours through the link in the description and feel the difference on your next panel. Thousands of us switched and never looked back. Come get stupid smooth.